Alright YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's the Top Velocity. Do a little Friday riding. So I think I'll heading down to NYC. Go down to Manhattan for a little bit before the rain starts. Heading on to the sawmill. Little curve, little lean going on, right? Get that little lean going on. So we got traffic, everybody. I don't know if they're doing work. People are too busy on their phones, man. This guy's reading the paper. Reading the paper, man. What the hell? People aren't even paying attention. They're just reading the paper. Stuck in traffic. So, folks, we're on the Henry Hudson right now. Gonna go over the Henry Hudson Bridge. Bumps, crazy. Shocks feel a lot better. Alright, there you go. Welcome to Manhattan. Welcome to Midtown Manhattan. So on Monday, this Monday that just passed, I was in the Lake George area, a place called Brant Lake. It's really nice. And now I'm in the large buildings of Manhattan. So I went from one extreme to the other. I'll tell you one thing, man. It's nice. It's nice up there in the Lake George area. Yeah, every time I go up into an area like that, it's like I'm thinking, oh, how can I get my lake house? Gotta make it happen. Coming up on the Intrepid. Right there. Intrepid on the right. The kids went there for a field trip. Let's go to Times Square. Let's go to 42nd Street. Right, we're on 42nd Street. Where are you going, lady? Where are you going? Jeez. Man, I remember coming down here with my boy D Nice. Just come out here, man, midnight, looking for clubs to hit. Got some new gloves. Busted out with the red joints, the Fox. They were on sale. Revzilla, so picked me up a pair. Little birthday gift, you know? I like the red. Trying to match this red out. Pull over. Alright, here's the mad people. Times Square. Oh shit, it's about to rain. Shit, I need a lids right here. I need a new fitted Yankee cap. Man, I remember when it used to be nasty down here. Used to be strip clubs and little nasty theaters and prostitutes. Girls, she gotta be a model, right?
New York City was that place that you went to see things that weren't normal in your everyday life. It was crazy out here.
But they cleaned it up. Brought back all the tourists. I'm standing in front of this guy. Bryant Park. We go with Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station to my left. I used to come out here, then walk just down the block to the Daily News building. Alright, so I used to work right around here. Right in this building right here, the Daily News, the news building right there, 220 East 42nd Street. WPIX is in here, channel 11. If you're from New York, WPIX, they're in this building, so we would see people all the time. Looking good, motherfucker.
That's a cool bike.
Thank you, man. I see you. During the pandemic, that's all it was nobody out here in the streets at all. It was weird. And I used to come back and forth to work. You know, come in like a day or so of the week. It was just weird, man. Which kind of sucks, man. Man, you gotta deal with trucks and buses and shit. Oh shit, look, BMW M Series. I told you, I'm destined. BMW M Series, Manhattan, yeah boy. I'm destined to have an M Series, I'm telling you. Man, after sitting behind trucks and cars, man, that felt good. Come some more riders. Want to experience the NYC.
I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so, please do. Hit that notification bell. Peace.